Slingboard Lab offers a cloud-based programming platform designed for the sole purpose of building slingboards. Through the provision of slingboards, using a tablet and computerized sticky notes, you can easily keep in touch with your team. Our mission is to bring your team at your fingertips. Slingboards is a programming platform. It allows professional developers to author, package, and publish collaboration boards. Using their favorite programming environment, developers build a slingboard by coding board's properties such as sticky notes and panels. Developers publish slingboards to the cloud-based platform. Slingboards run on mobile devices inside the Slingboard's native application. New collaboration boards are rolled out automatically as the Slingboard application connects to the cloud-based platform. The Slingboard application is available for Apple iOS, Google Android, and Microsoft Windows 8. Here's an example of a slingboard. In this specific case, the developers have created a very simple collaboration board, an in and out board. Developers have defined the sticky notes as well as the panels to create columns and rows. In addition to the sticky notes layout, developers enable collaborators to use the pinning capabilities to signal additional information. Programming a text-based pin is very simple. Here, the collaborator is signaling that he will return to the office today at 2 p.m. Instead of text-based pin, developers can also create an image-based pin when they author the board layout. Here is a more complex real-life example. This is a workflow that allows salespeople to participate in the collection of accounts receivables. The aim is to obtain payment when an invoice is overdue by more than 60 days. Let's see how to program a slingboard in this scenario. Developers first translate the workflow into columns. To create columns, they use the panel property. They also specify which panels allow to create a new sticky note. In this case, there is one panel in the 60 days column with the Add Sticky Notes property set to true. It displays the plus button. The workflow starts when a clerk adds a sticky note in this panel. What you see now is the full added layout of the sticky note. Developers define the layout using properties. It's all declarative programming. There is a predefined property for text entry, number picker, or collaboration section. Using HTML5 tags, you can extend the slingboard to capture additional information. Now with a sticky note in the 60 days column, the collaborator can select it and move it in the second column when he is ready to phone the customer. There are 4 different layouts for sticky notes. We have just seen the edit layout. Here we see the sticky notes in the move layout. By pinching in with their fingers, collaborators can change the layout. Note that when zooming in, the layout of the sticky note changes. Now we see the sticky note in the pin layout. Let's pinch again to zoom more. Now we see the sticky notes in the quick edit layout. Slingboards provide predefined behaviors to keep it simple. Only one property setting was necessary to define the risk picker. Another example of predefined behavior is for opening an external application. We can open attached documents such as spreadsheets, presentations, or videos using an installed app. In this case, the developer have programmed the link to open a PDF editor. Attaching a document to a sticky note is a simple way to integrate slingboards with other systems. Another way is to have other systems interact directly with the Slingboard platform using the REST API. An external system could move the sticky note into the 75 days column when the invoice is overdue. Any action that a collaborator can perform through the Slingboards app is available in the REST API. For example, the billing system could use the REST API to pin a $sign in order to signal collaborators that a payment has been received. So in conclusion, Slingboards is a platform for professional developers. Slingboards creates new business opportunities. We do not interfere with your current business model. You are, and will always be, the owner of the relationship with the end users. Your organization benefits from the Slingboard Lab platform, which itself relies on Microsoft, Google, and Apple infrastructure. Slingboards is for programmers by programmers. If you want to be amongst the first to publish a Slingboard, leave us your email. Thank you.